So I like to wash mine with CJ's Flux Remover first. If you don't have that, Dawn dish soap will work. And I like to use Magic Eraser, and I also like to use an old toothbrush. We'll start out with this. And you want to be careful of your edges. You don't want them to peel away. Gently. Do it again. Again, CJ's Flux Remover. I'm going to use Magic Eraser this time. And I've been using this Myers baking soda. And then I'm going to add just a little bit of extra baking soda. Use my brush. It's going to help get any flux residue off. Being careful of your tape on the edges, and being careful not to press too hard on this side or this side, because you don't want to bend we have a little bit of a solder line there. Even though we've tried to secure it a little bit, that's something you want to push on. And so there our piece is nice and clean.
do this side.
Okay, so we're going to go with about 4 inches of chain. This is just the chain that you can get at Hobby Lobby by the Stained Glass Supplies. You can also use ribbon. Ribbon would be nice. I'm going to put ribbon at the top of mine, but you could use ribbon instead of chain. That would be nice. If you want this look, instead of just the chain or the ribbon, and you want to add a hook, I have a video how I made the hook. So this is what you'll need to make that. I have 2 little jump rings and our hook and the chain. The longer side of the chain is 2 inches and the smaller side is 1.5. So I have these measured out on here, and I have them cut down to size. And so we'll put this together, and then you'll just attach this to your ornament. So that's a wrap on our first project in our beginner series, and I absolutely love the way that it came out, and I hope that you guys like it too. And thank you so much for following along, and I hope that you'll join me in the next video in our next series. I'm not sure what it's going to be yet, but please keep an eye out. I'll be posting that new pattern soon. I'll post it both on my Facebook page and on my website, and I'll be posting the videos as I go, like I did with this one. Hopefully I can dial it in a little bit more so it's not so long and drawn out. I think this is a total of 7 videos, so please keep an eye out for all these videos. I'll try to get them into a folder so that it's easier for you guys to go back to if you need to reference back to it. And I hope that this helped out some of the beginners. And I wanted to show that if you're giving this as a gift, maybe it will be for a memorial gift or a remembrance gift. And I thought that the cross represented a really sweet heirloom charm that you could include in that gift. So just an idea that I wanted to throw out there. And again, thank you all so much. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. It really does help my page grow. And I'll see you guys in the next one.